When we think of a TV remote, many of us imagine a simple device that lets us control the TV from the comfort of our seats. However, with the advent of smart TVs, this concept has changed dramatically. Samsung's smart TV remotes stand out with their minimalist design. Unlike the traditional remotes that had a button for every function, these new remotes integrate multiple features, with fewer buttons, offering a more modern and streamlined experience. The mystery of the 4 color dots. One feature that may leave users puzzled are the 4 color dots on Samsung TV remotes. The labels next to these colored dots can be confusing because their meanings aren't immediately clear. So, what are these dots for, and why are they important? These 4 color dots are not random. They serve as context-sensitive shortcuts designed to help users navigate through menus and apps more easily. They're part of Samsung's innovative approach to streamline the TV control experience, while still offering quick access to commonly used features. The functionality of the 4 color dots. On both old and new Samsung TV remotes, users will notice these 4 color dots and their corresponding labels. These dots are part of the menu options below the power button, and each color corresponds to a different function. Here's how they work. Pressing the button once opens a quick settings menu. Pressing it twice brings up the number keypad. Pressing it 3 times grants access to the functions associated with the colored dots. What do the color dots do? The exact functionality of each colored dot depends on what the user is currently doing. For example, they can be used to enable subtitles or adjust sound settings. While Samsung hasn't published detailed information about the exact roles of these dots, through trial and error, users can quickly learn how each one works in different menus. The color-coded icons that appear when the colored dots are activated help users easily recognize which button to press for a specific action. This intuitive design makes the remote more user-friendly, even if it takes a little time to familiarize yourself with how it works. Samsung and other TV brands' use of color-coded buttons. Interestingly, Samsung isn't the only brand to incorporate these color-coded buttons on their remotes. Other TV brands, such as LG, also use similar features, providing a common standard across devices. These shortcuts are becoming a standard feature in the world of smart TV remotes, allowing users to interact with their devices more efficiently. While Samsung's design minimizes the number of buttons on their remote, these 4 color dots remain essential for quick and intuitive navigation. They provide a streamlined, efficient way to access various features and settings that are often hidden within deeper menus. Conclusion. The 4 color dots on the Samsung TV remote may initially confuse some users, but they play a crucial role in enhancing the user experience. By providing quick access to essential functions, these dots simplify navigation and contribute to the minimalist, user-friendly design of Samsung's smart TV remotes. With a little time and experimentation, users will quickly get the hang of these convenient shortcuts, making their smart TV experience even more seamless and enjoyable.